Okay, so ayan, pag-usapan naman natin itong application sa derivatives. Yung topic natin is about the related rates. So we have here a problem. Air is being pumped into a spherical balloons at a rate of 20 cubic feet per meter. At what the rate is the radius changing when the radius is 3 feet? So, dito is yung nangyari is yung air daw is, itong balloons is pinapump siya ng hangin na mayroong volume na 20 cubic feet per minute yung nagiging volume, yung rate ng volume niya. 20 cubic feet per meter. Tapos, syempre, habang papalaki yung lobo, habang lumulobo siya, syempre, papalaki din yung kanyang radius. So, ngayon is, tinatanong is, at what rate is the radius changing when the radius is 3 feet? Okay, so, yun yung tinatanong niya. So, ganito yung nangyari. Ipapump yung air doon, di ba? So, balloons. Tapos, yun, lumulobo siya. Siyempre, kung nakikita niyo yan, nagbabago din siya yung radius niya. Lumalaki din yung radius niya, oh. Lumalaki yung radius kasi lumulobo siya. Okay, so ito yung given natin. Yung given natin is yung dV over dt or change in volume with respect to time is 20 cubic feet per minute. At ito yung hahanapin natin, yung rate ng radius changing when the radius is 3 feet. Okay, so yung dr over dt ang hinahanap natin, yung radius with respect to the time. Okay, so paano ba natin isosolve to? So, syempre, yung spherical balloons is yung shape niya is spherical. So, ibig sabihin, dapat alam natin yung volume ng sphere. Okay, so what is the volume of this sphere? The volume of this sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, so ito yung magiging formula natin. Based to doon sa ating solid mensuration or solid geometry. So, yung volume ng sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, so derivative natin. So, derive natin is dv over dt 4/3 pi kasi constant ilalabas. Ito yung derivative lang ng r. Yung r is bababa, yung 3 is bababa, magiging r squared na lang to. Tapos dr with respect to time. Okay, so cancel natin yung 3. So magiging dv over dt that is equal to the 4 pi r squared dr over dt. Okay, since yung hinahanap natin is si dr over dt, so lipat natin itong 4 pi r squared dito sa kabila. Diba? Bababa siya sa dv over dt. So, ganito na yung mangyayari sa ating formula. That the dr over dt is equal to the change in volume with respect to time divided by 4 pi r squared. Okay? So, given tayo ng dv over dt, given din tayo ng r. Yung r natin is 3 feet. Okay, so dv over dt is 20 cubic feet per minute. And then, 4 pi times 3, ito yung r. Ito yung r natin is in feet. Magiging feet squared yan. Okay, makakancel dito yung ito yung dalawa, tapos cancel to. Magiging unit natin is feet per minute. So, the dr over dt is equal to 5 over 9 pi. Okay, so in decimals, that is 0.18 feet per minute. So, ito yung value natin or ito yung sagot natin dito sa problem na ito. Okay? So, medyo madali lang. Madali lang naman siya. Yung magiging problema lang is dapat alam mo yung mga formulas, solid mensuration, yung area. So, ibig sabihin, babalikan nyo yung mga topic nyo sa plane geometry or sa geometry. Plane kasi, dalawa kasi yan, plane and solid geometry. Pag plane kasi, yung plane geometry is respect to the areas, perimeters, and others. So, pag solid mensuration naman kasi is in terms of volume. May area din naman doon, kaya alam mo, nakafocus siya sa solid mensuration. Is nakafocus siya doon sa ating volumes. Okay, so that's all muna for today. See you in the next video.